Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna be unboxing the new C100 V3. This is the gray and orange model. So let's just get right to it. Alright, this is what we got. Got the gray and the orange. This is the regular model. This isn't the Pro. So it comes with the regular seat, which of course we'll be taking off because we don't want that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take this bike out of the box and we're gonna unpack it and I'll start building it up. And y'all will see the final result. Jay made this one. Alright, so here's the bike.
Beats, coach. They made this one.
Alright, so yeah, this is just the stock look at the bike. Basically, I'm gonna do my own thing to it because of course I'm not riding this bike off stock. These tires alone, I'm just not a fan of them. The brakes, I'll take them off too. The seat, of course, that's gotta be switched. The pedals too. It's just all generic stuff. You know, it's good for the bike being all original. You know, it's all good product. But me, I like to have my own touch to the bike. And of course, I want the best performance of the bike. So that's why I would change all of that stuff. But other than that, if you just wanted to ride the bike, perfect. Like, you know what I mean? Like, bike is fine. But of course, I'm gonna take the front brakes off too and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll probably just get to that right now. You can see. But yeah, sorry about the quality. I had some incidents and I lost my phone, but you know, it's all good. But y'all get the point. I might come back after I do my own touches to it. I don't know yet. I might just end the video here. I'll figure that out in a second. Yeah, man, this is my original bike. You can see where they got the inspiration from. You see me. This bike got a flat and some more, but I'm about to take some of these parts off here and put them on the new bike. You can see this bike been through hell and back. This bike been everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna just do all that right now. Shit. So you expecting one from me?
I saw them like this.
Huh? You know one from these. Imagine, that's me, that's how I feel living. That's how I like when they're riding the street all the time, with a backpack, riding, like a drink in my hand.
Yeah.